Hello everyone and welcome to the Textbook Super Coaching platform. Myself Pradyuman Tripathi and today I am here to tell you about the challengeable questions that you can challenge for your Northeast SLET examination. Okay, so Northeast SLET examination 2023, the answer key is out and the time period that they have given for you to challenge the question paper answer key is 12th of April. Okay, 12 अप्रैल तक. Okay, 12 अप्रैल तक आप आंसर की को चैलेंज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द टाइम लास्ट डेट of challenging the answer key, so you have enough time. So घबराने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. And on the basically NTA website, this challengeable portion will be available with the help of your login ID. Okay, so challenge किन क्वेश्चंस को कर सकते हैं, again what kind of doubts you have also, so that will be discussed in this particular session. Okay, चलिए तो सबसे पहले what are going to be the topics that we are going to discuss in this short video. First of all, what are the doubtful questions? Okay, because I have got a lot of question from you guys only. Ki sir, we have doubt in this particular question. Please check it. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the doubtful questions. Okay. Then we will go to the challengeable question. Okay, which can exactly be challenged. Okay, which has a factual proof through which we can challenge it. And then at the end comes the obviously expected cutoff that you guys are also looking for. Okay. So doubtful questions कौन से हैं? किन क्वेश्चंस को हम चैलेंज कर सकते हैं सही रूप सही तरीके से और एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ क्या होगा. सो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. बट सबसे पहले आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज quickly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the Textbook Super Coaching platform. Okay, fine. चलिए, let's move forward. So first of all, we will talk about Northeast SLET 2023 doubtful question. Okay, so I have got a lot of questions where students are confused कि क्या इसका आंसर सही दिया है आंसर की में. Okay, so the question among the students is, sir, these answer are correct or appropriate. Okay, can we say? So first of all, this was a question number 57, where students are saying, sir, the answer key is not appropriate, but guys, the topic is quite vague. Okay, societal democracy, political democracy, so that's why we cannot challenge this question, because you cannot get appropriate what we can say proof for determining that key. Okay, because although we know कि Tocqueville related to the industrial democracy, okay, but still they have given the answer A. So again this question cannot be challenged because you won't be getting a proper factual proof. Okay, so इसके लिए आपको कुछ factual proof नहीं मिल सकते, तो इसलिए there is no need of challenging this question. Okay, it is doubtful. Definitely a question doubtful है, but it cannot be challenged. Okay, now moving to the next question number 72, which is a assertion reason based question, guys. Okay, it's a assertion reason based question, and in the assertion reason based question, it is the perspective or orientation of the examiner which we have to rely on. Okay, so although the statement seems like they are relatable, the answer should be A, but in that sense अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, so it was basically saying कि women reservation seats for the women Panchayat Raj would pave the way for the empowerment. Okay, and reason statement saying कि empowerment of the women is essential for the democracy. Okay, so it's reverse. Okay, if this statement was in assertion and this was a reason, then it could have been A. Okay, अगर ये assertion में होता और ये reason में होता तो आप A आंसर लगा सकते थे. Okay, but it's a reverse order because they are saying कि women reservation would be empowering, and now they are also talking about what is the benefit of empowerment. Okay, so that's why both the statements are right, but this is not providing explanation here. Okay, so in that manner again reverse hota hai. If this is in the assertion and this statement is in the reason, then you could have said ki answer would be A, but theek hai, we can go with the B answer that was given by the Northeast SLET. Okay, the Northeast SLET की जो आंसर की में B आंसर दिया है, again there is no need of challenging this question. Okay, इसको आप challenge नहीं कर सकते, there is no need of challenging this question. Okay, question number 72. Then question number 84. Okay, there was doubt also when we were discussing the answer key for this question. Okay, जब मैंने discuss किया था आंसर की, तब भी इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी, तब भी मैंने आपको बताया था, but the answer that was given by them would be appropriate. इसमें कुछ गलती नहीं है. कांग्रेस ऑफ द ऑप्रेस्ड का आंसर जो है आपका बेसिकली आप 3 से मैच करेंगे. 27 फर्डिनेंड ब्रूक ने बेसिकली जो नेहरू पे बुक लिखी है, फाइन. सो फर्डिनेंड ब्रूक बेसिकली रोड अ बुक फॉर ऑन द नेहरू. कराची सेशन के लिए आप मैच करेंगे 1931 एंड जबलपुर रियॉट, although it was conducted in 1961, but still 62 can be counted also. Okay, but इसलिए this question cannot be challenged. most probably उनका जो आंसर सही है. ठीक है, so B ही इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Fine. Now moving forward towards the question number 86, this was also a problem. Okay, because there was conflicting ideas, but जब मैंने उनका आंसर की देखी तो I am quite satisfied कि the answer should be A. Okay, although मैंने आपको दूसरा आंसर बताया था when we were discussing the आंसर की, so sorry for that. जो उन्होंने आंसर की दी है that is more relevant. Okay, because see जो options है, within the options we have to shuffle the options. Okay, basically answers. Okay, कि राजधर्म प्रवक्षिता बेसिकली जो है आपका मनुस्मृति में मिलता है डेफिनेटली. ओके, ब्राह्मणवाद रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ सोल की बात भी करता है, हिंदुत्व का आइडिया है हिंदुइज्म का, एज वेल एज बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म जो है श्रमणिक ट्रेडिशन से आते हैं. ओके, हेटेरोडॉक्स. ओके, in the Hindu philosophy there are basically what we can say heterodox traditions are there as well as homogeneous traditions. Okay, so heterodox jo hai orthodox and heterodox. Okay, so orthodox thoughts are like this Brahmanvad, this basically Raj Dharma, or let's say the Manusmriti. They are orthodox thoughts, and Buddhism and Jainism are heterodox. Heterodox means Shramanvad. Okay, fine. So, and Tamil literature is related to Kunal. Okay, so that's why the answer would be appropriate. So there is no need of challenging this question. This question is also correct, and the answer key is fine. Okay, now there is a challenge regarding what we can say a problem regarding this question. Lohia was in the favor of self-sufficient villages, independent villages, autonomous villages. They have given the answer C, and it would be appropriate because we were doing this question from our general understanding about the Lohiya's idea. Okay, तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कैसे कर रहे थे कि लोहिया की क्या जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. बट Lohia in some of his texts exactly used the word autonomous villages. Okay, he also used the word autonomous socialism. Okay, तो लोहिया ने स्पेसिफिकली कुछ जगह पे autonomous socialism और autonomous village word यूज किया है. So by that reason they cannot question cannot be challenged. Okay, so वैसे क्वेश्चन चैलेंजेबल था, बट क्योंकि इंडिपेंडेंट विलेज बोले, ऑटोनोमस बोले, बात बराबर ही. ओके, सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बोले, ऑल दीज थ्री वर्ड्स आर व्हाट वी कैन से इंटरचेंजेबली यूज्ड. ओके, ये तीनों शब्दों को आप इंटरचेंजेबली यूज कर सकते हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट इन सम ऑफ द बुक्स Lohia specifically used the word, preferred the word autonomous villages. So that's why this question cannot be challenged. The answer would be C only. Okay, now moving forward, we will talk about the challengeable questions, okay, which can 100% can be challenged, okay, with proof. Okay, I will also provide you the proof कि किन questions को जो. So now what the question that we have discussed, they were doubtful question. Okay, so these were the doubtful question जिसमें आप लोगों ने doubts भेजे हैं. Okay, and a lot of students have sent me some other questions, but they are majorly assertion reason based, so that's why they cannot be challenged. Okay, मेरे पास और भी doubts हैं. For example, question number 77 भी किसी ने भेजा था, and other questions are also there. But majority of those questions are from the assertion reason, and assertion reasons cannot be challenged with the fact. Okay, so अगर factual information नहीं तो उसको challenge नहीं कर सकते. That's where there is no reason logic. Now comes the challengeable question. Okay, in the challengeable question, which can challenged in the answer key. Okay, so here you can challengeable questions are there. First of all, question number 48. This is 100% challengeable. They have given the answer A, which is which is wrong. Okay, Glank plank is the idea of Henry Fayol, which is 100% correct. Answer should be B. Okay, answer should be B because unity of command is a principle of Fayol. Okay, not Urwick. Okay, so इसलिए ये statement गलत है. बाकी यहाँ पे उन्होंने जो आंसर दिया है वो A दिया है, but this is wrong. Okay, so this question can be challenged. Question number 48 याद रखिए. And now I am also attaching the proof. Source ये देख लीजिए, आप पढ़ लीजिए. Gangplank referred to the Fayol's idea, and पूरा perspective जो है Gangplank का was given. Again, I will also provide the PDF of challengeable question on the Telegram page. Okay, so on my Telegram page you will also get the what we can say the complete source. Okay, so ये source है, दो source मैंने लगाए हैं, एक ये source है, along with that the E-Gyankosh, the IGNOU. Okay, fine. Again, Fayol's idea of Gangplank. Okay, Fayol ने जो Gangplank का idea दिया है वो यहाँ पे clearly mentioned है on the basically आपका PG पाठशाला में भी available है. Okay, fine. So it is available in the PG पाठशाला as well as IGNOU notes. Okay, so from these sources we can challenge yes the question is incorrect. Okay, now moving forward, question number 65. Liberal thinkers in the 18th and 19th century were influenced by they have given the answer C, but it is wrong. Fine, उन्होंने C आंसर दिया है, but नहीं होगा mercantilism because इसका प्रूफ मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. सोर्स भी है, जे स्टोर का एक पूरा आर्टिकल है विलियम ग्रेप के द्वारा, जहां पे क्लियरली लिखा है कि द पीरियड, ओके, mercantilism, the period between extended from the roughly 1500 to 1715. Okay, and the custom. Okay, so especially यहाँ पे देखिए mention है कि liberal economist, okay, the time of mercantilism has been thoroughly condemned by the liberal economist. Okay, this period of mercantilism was thoroughly been condemned by the liberal economist. साफ साफ वहां लिखा है. So again the proof is properly available and it's a very valid proof. So इसको हम challenge कर सकते हैं. So these are the only two questions. Okay, question number 48 and question number 65. Okay, these are the two questions that I can guarantee they can be challenged with a specific proof, and I will be providing you the proof also on the Telegram page. Okay, so on my Telegram page I will give you a doc file which can be used as a proof also. Okay, fine. Now after this video again one interesting information for all of you guys कि Textbook Super Coaching is also have launched a very wonderful offer for all of you for the 4.5 month subscription. So this 4.5 month subscription is available, and the coupon code is Pradyuman T. You can use this and you can take the subscription for the UGC NET preparation, NET set preparation, whatever you are preparing for, and the complete preparation for the paper number 1, paper number 2 will be available there. Okay, fine. Chaliye. Now it's come the time for the cutoff. Okay, so last time जो मैंने cutoff बताया था, it was from the 2021, but now this is the cutoff list of 2022. Okay, I have got the cutoff list from you guys only. आप ही लोगों ने मुझे share किया था. So political science का cutoff जो है, last time it was quite higher, 62.66%, 58.66, 46.56. So these are the cutoff for the political science, and other subjects are also mentioned here. Okay, so on the basis of this particular cutoff that was provided in the last year, जो पिछले साल का cutoff था, उसके हिसाब से now the updated. So previously also I have given you an expected cutoff for the Northeast, but now the updated cutoff for the different category wise will be like this. Okay, general category 58 to 60%, OBC 55 to 57, SC 46 to 48, ST 53 to 55, PWD 43 to 45. This is the range. Okay, it is the approx cutoff. Okay, expected cutoff approx. Within this limit, if you are getting the marks, you are going to crack the Northeast SLET examination 2023. Okay, so this is the expected cutoff. You can check your cutoff, as well as you can share this video with your friends so that they can also get a clarity. Okay, so just at the end, I just request you to please subscribe to the YouTube channel of Textbook Super Coaching platform. एक बार subscribe कर लीजिए so that you will keep getting the important updates about your examination as well as the important session for your preparation. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video, and we'll see you in the classes. Okay, मेरी classes के timings याद रखिए. Monday to Friday free classes on YouTube, and Monday to Friday 8 p.m. master classes, again free classes on the Textbook app. Okay, fine. These are the class timing. Thank you everyone for watching this session. Thank you.